Hey there, little adventurers. Welcome back to Learning Fun Zone. Today, we are going to explore the magical world of Scratch Junior, where we can make our characters jump, dance, and even fly. Get ready for some action-packed coding fun. Hey young coders and creators. Today we are going to have a blast exploring Scratch Junior and how to make your own characters move and groove with your simple movements and actions. So let's dive right in. Scratch Junior is the perfect place to start your coding journey. It is designed for kids like you to have fun while learning. So first up, the Scratch library. It's like the treasure trove of characters and objects waiting for you to bring them to life. So this is the Scratch new project, and we have different sprites over here, sprites or characters, and these are the backgrounds. But today we are going to see these colorful blocks. These are looking just like Lego blocks, right? But these are building blocks of your code, and you can create super easy movements and actions from these. So let us check all these blocks one by one. So here on these yellow blocks we can see this green flag. So whenever we click on green flag, the project gets started. The blocks in the blue color are the blocks for movement. Okay, so here we can see this right arrow. So I have selected this right arrow. So what does this mean? This means that we have to move right. And here if we click on this one, we can see these numbers. So if we want to move it right time only once, we will choose 1. Or if we want to move it 2 steps, we can choose 2. If we want to move 3 steps, we can choose 3. Or we can double click on this and type the number as well. So if I want to move 4 steps, I will just write here as 4. Okay, and now if we want to move left, this is the move left block. This also has the same configuration. We can choose whichever steps we want over here. Alright, so this is the way we can move left and right. Now the next block is move up block. So if we want to move 1 step ahead, we can use this block. Similarly, we have this move down block. So if we want to move down, we can use this block. So here we can see the movement of our character. When I click on the green flag, it is moving to the right, it is moving to the left, up and down. Awesome. This is a great start to the movement. Now let us see the next block. This is the turn right block. So if we have to turn right, we can use this. If we want to turn right and left, we can use the next one. And if you want to turn it more, you can give the degree of turn, like you can give 4 times. So it will move 4 times. This is the hop block for jumping the sprite. So if we want to turn it and give it a hop. So let us add some different character. Now I will choose this one, and I will choose when it is tapped, I will choose hop. So here we can see it is jumping. Now let us go back to tick character, and we will explore this last one today. So this is the go home block. You can see this is the go home block. So whenever we use this block, it will go back to its original position. So let us try to run our code now. So here you can see it came back to the original position. To end the game, we can use this red blocks. So if we use the red block, it will stop the movement and code. And if we use the repeat block, so let us go back to tag, and if we use this repeat forever blow, it will keep on jumping. So here you can see it is it is jumping continuously because we have used the repeat forever block. So this is the repeat block. These are the basic movements of our characters in the code, and these are the building blocks of animation and interaction. You can make your characters move left, right, jump and run. Now let us create one simple game using the basic movements which we have seen. Take this car. Okay, this is the car which is going, and we will use the city background. Now we want to start this game, so I will use the green flag and we will move it right, and let us add some movement of 7 steps to the right. So here our car is moving to the right. Awesome, isn't it? You can add a repeat loop as well, so it will keep on moving to the right. So in this way, we have learned how to add basic movements to our sprites. You can change the stage's appearance with different costumes and backgrounds. The possibilities are endless, and when your masterpiece is ready, it's time to share to the world. In this classroom, Scratch Junior is a playground for collaboration. Work together, share ideas, and make amazing projects as a team. And that's a wrap for today, young coders. Now you're armed with the knowledge to make your characters move in Scratch Junior. So go out there and code your dreams into reality. Thanks for joining us on this coding adventure. See you next time and keep those projects coming.
That's a great job, mini coders. You have learned to bring your characters to life with movement and action. Keep exploring, keep coding, and remember, the sky's the limit in Scratch Junior.